snipers are masters of camouflage and marksmanship, living up to their motto, one shot, one kill.
Ang isang sundalo pag marunong bumaril, unang-una makakalis ka sa dami ng bala na ipinuputok. Once na pumutok pa, alam mong may tatamaan ka.
To pass the final stage of sniper training, they must put their own lives on the line. This is the confidence firing test. A mistake in this live fire exercise doesn't just mean failing the course. It could mean instant death for their comrade in arms.
Normal na yan sa isang tao, may nervous na lang. Pero dapat i-overcome yung nervous na yan.
It's designed to replicate the psychological pressure of a real operation.
Unang-una, mama, siyempre, tiwala ako sa sarili ko na kaya kong barilin yung lobo. Tsaka tiwala din ako dun sa kabady ko na kaya niyang tumayo sa harap. Kasi alam ko yung kakayahan ng kabady ko, alam ng kabady ko yung kakayahan ko. Kaya yung tiwala, nasa amin.
50% of sniper trainees fail this sharpshooting course, either by not making the grade or backing out on this final confidence test.
Confidence firing ang tawag dito. Ang huling pagsubok ng mga pumapasok sa Marine Scout Sniper School. Buhay ang nakataya sa confidence firing. Kailangan daw ito para maging tiwala sa isa't isa mga sniper na dalawahan kung mag-operate. Pero bukod sa husay umasinta, kailangan din ng sniper ng maaasahang baril. Kaya ang mga M16 Armalite na gawa sa Pilipinas, binago ng kaunti ng Marines para gawing sniper rifle.
We modified it with a longer barrel, heavier barrel, put in rails and a scope. This was tested, bulk was tested in a 2000 campaign. Maraming kills ito actually.